beacon of peace and love, not just for Jamaica, but for the entire world. His music, a melody of unity and joy, continues to resonate across borders and generations. As we come together, let us remember Bob's message. Every little thing is going to be all right. With a spirit of collaboration and a shared vision for the future, we can create a Caribbean experience as vibrant and harmonious as one of his legendary songs.